Life is life. And life will not be kind to anybody. And life will not help anybody. There is a great force that holds our planet together, and actually the whole universe together. A great force, the greatest force in the universe is called gravity. Gravity is what ensures that you can't go up, that everybody stays. If there was no gravity, we'll be floating in the air. Life has gravity. Just get it. Gravity is natural to human existence. Every force in this world is designed to keep you down. Moving up is not natural. If you think people will favor you, somebody will hold your hand. You have to learn to let your right hand hold your left hand. Because if you're going through life looking for favors, looking for kindness, looking for affirmation, looking for encouragement, looking for people who lift you up, this is the wrong planet for you. It's life. Hardship is life. Pain is life. Resistance is life. Difficulty is life. People who want to destroy you is life. It is not extraordinary. It is what people have been dealing with as human beings all their existence. Our ancestors, they used to go for war. Can you imagine? Every October or April, we have to go and fight. And you don't know whether you will come or not. That's what our ancestors were dealing with. You get up, today is dangerous against Ashantis, next day is Ashantis against Gas, and they go to wars by calendar. Do you get me? The calendar is written, this season is war. After farming, when we have eaten our food, we go and fight. And people get killed. It's life. Don't romanticize your pain. Don't romanticize your challenges. And that's why I don't have this mentality of what's the difficult. It's life. That's what life is. Somebody will be born today, their parents will die the day they were born. Somebody will have an accident, his arm will be cut off. It's life. And nobody in life is going to say, oh, your one arm got cut, so we'll give you special dispensation. No, life will actually be more cruel to you because you lost your arm. You have to work 4 times harder. Somebody is born blind. You think people are going to say, because you are blind, or we'll give you special dispensation? No, you have to work 10 times harder as a blind man to survive. If you were born and you were deaf, you have to work 100 times harder to survive in this world. I had an uncle who was deaf. He became a journalist. We used to ask, so how could you become a journalist? But he became a journalist. He couldn't hear. And sometimes he would file the best reports. He could hear very faintly. And you have to scream for him to hear. So one day I asked him, so how do you do? He says, I go and I watch. I don't hear. But I watch how people are behaving and I report on behavior. And that's how I did my journalism. That's how he survived. Life is tough. So for the young generation, nobody will give you a chance. Give yourself a chance. If you're looking for helpers, you are on the wrong planet, because on this planet there is gravity. If you go to the moon, there is no gravity. You can go there and survive, but you'll be flying. Everybody will be flying in the air. But if you are here, there is gravity. Everything is going to try to pull you down. That is why rising up takes extra effort. And if you find somebody who gives you opportunity on this terra firma, you have to thank him. You have to thank him. But we have to deal with life. People will deal with things. People are born with polio. People are born crippled. People are born with spinal problems. People are born, they can't breathe. People have challenges. Just look at all that people are dealing with. And life, have you ever been walking and you saw somebody who is crippled and said, oh, let me give you opportunity, and lifted them up and walk? No, you just look at them and say bye-bye and move on. That's the same way people will leave you. They'll see how life is, they'll say bye-bye and move on. You have to determine to rise up and face your challenge.